In this video, I will be showing you how to design stickers in Canva. Let's get started. To begin, I head over to the top left of the Canva homepage and click on Create a Design, then select a blank canvas to open up my workspace. Once the canvas loads, I go to the left sidebar and click on the Elements tab. In the search bar at the top, I type in Coquette Bow and filter the results by graphics, so I can browse through all the illustrated options. I start by selecting a pink watercolor ribbon bow. I drag the corner handle inward to scale it down and place it in the top left corner of the canvas. Next, from the graphics list, I select a cute teddy bear illustration, resize it down to match the first graphic, and position it right beside the bow. I continue selecting matching graphics to build out the sticker sheet. I click on a pink hairpin with pearls, adjust its size, and place it in the top row. Then, I bring in a patterned Band-Aid graphic, scale it down, and place it on the top right. Moving on to the bottom row, I choose a bouquet of pink tulips, scale it down, and place it on the bottom left. Next, I select a pair of cherries tied with a ribbon, resize them, and position them in the bottom center. Lastly, I add a scalloped note frame to the bottom right corner, making sure all the elements are spaced out evenly. To make the white sticker borders easy to see, I click on the canvas background, open the color palette at the top, and change the background to a contrasting solid pink shade. Now, to create the die-cut sticker effect, I click on the first graphic and select Edit from the top toolbar. In the editing panel on the left, I scroll down to the Shadows section and select the Outline effect. I open the color picker and change the shadow color from black to pure white. Then, I adjust the size slider to increase the thickness, giving it a bold white border. I repeat these exact steps for each remaining graphic across the canvas, selecting the element, applying the white outline shadow, and tweaking the border width so every sticker has a clean, uniform look. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to design sticker in Canva.